What's up guys, Pocho Trainer here again, SamuraiFT martial art fitness system, and today video I'm gonna show you the front kick.
Remember last week we did the groin strike? Well, today we have another technique you can use. It's that front kick to get your attacker away from you, create some distance and run away.
Yes, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as we analyze the last technique in the other video, always the power comes from your core and for your hips, okay? So you gotta engage your muscles. We always practice the front kick, the knees in the SamuraiFT class, so you can apply in the real life. So let's see the front kick, okay? Similar to the approach from the front kick in the groins, do it again. Remember the technique that we saw the last week? It's the same movement, so you raise your knee first and then she extend, but the only difference today is gonna be more flexion. Go back again, and as you put the leg or you place your foot on my chest or in the stomach of your opponent, she's gonna throw the hips forward, boom, and she's gonna push, okay? So it's really important this because, you know, in a real situation, you have to react before. So if you see your attacker doing something, this is the time that you have to react. Boom! Oh, before, you know, before, guys, it's before. Before that happens, don't let it happen, and then you have to, you know, do the technique, do it slow again, and then just run. So you're gonna break it down in different steps. So you rise first the knee, and then you place the leg, and then you push through your hips, okay? So let's see now in the real situation, okay? Hey, I told you. Well done, we made it. How you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah, so it's like I was feeling that kick in my stomach already, okay? So tell me, so it's like...
Well, for me, as a mom, when I'm walking with my son anywhere, I'm always on the lookout. Like, I'm in mama bear mode, and this just gives me a tool. Like, if someone comes at me or my son, you just push them out of the way. Yeah. And it actually feels really good. And it creates that space. So it's really good. It's a really good tool to have, just to be aware. Anyone comes at you, you can just push kick them out of your way.
It's really basic technique, really basic, guys. And also, you know, kicks is a really good tool, like you said. It's like you keep the distance. It's not like in the action movies, you're not gonna wait for, like, you know, block and do no. So it's like you see this movement and you go over.
Before someone comes at you, you just create that distance and get them out of there.
And run, okay? Because it's just one technique, run. And you will be safe, okay? So guys, subscribe, give me a like, and hope to see you next time, guys.
Bye guys.